Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Larryb Threads. So I'm excited to share something special with you today, and that is our brand new channel membership program. So by joining this program, you're going to unlock exclusive perks and become a crucial part of this community. So as a member, you get early access to videos, members only videos, priority replies to comments, member shoutouts, and special loyalty badges that stand you out in the comment section. So plus all of this, you'll be supporting the channel directly, helping me create even more of the content that you love so much. So every membership helps the channel to grow and improve. With your support, I can dedicate more times and resources to delivering high quality content and exploring even more exciting ideas. So you are not just subscribing, you are becoming a part of this journey with me. So hit that join button below to see all the perks and get started. Whether you are here for the exclusive content or just want to support the channel, your membership means a whole lot to me. So thanks for considering being a member, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. Bye.